Welcome to my channel Sunshine Classics. My name is Ralph and I want to invite you on a world trip to automotive history. Have fun! I found this place in the summer of 2023. I was driving down a main street in a small town somewhere in Arkansas in the US, and there was a mechanic shop on the right side with some interesting cars in front. So I got out and asked the owner if I can take a closer look. He said, yes, just go down that path. There are a lot of more cars down into the woods. And that's what I actually did, and it was just amazing because he had cars from the 1940s, the 1950s, and the 1960s. Like this one, which is a 1964 Ford Galaxy, a pretty fast sports car back in the days. What we got here are two Chevys. The left one is a 56 and the right one is a 58. And you might remember this one because Steve in the movie American Graffiti had one like this. So let's take a closer look. So no steering wheel. These cars won't see the roads anymore. Probably they just stay there forever. But you can smell the history of these cars. They've seen decades, the 50s, the 60s, the 70s, and maybe the 80s. So this one also no steering wheel. This is a 1954 Ford, a popular car back then. They sold a lot of them. This one is a 1962 or 63 Chevy. You might remember these cars because they used to build lowriders out of these cars. So here also probably a 54 Ford station wagon this time. This one is a 1940 Chevy. It's one of the oldest cars in this place. And here we got the magic year, 1959 Chevy Cube. Two of them. Normally these cars are pretty good collector cars. So everyone would go crazy. And this one is a 1960 Chevy, a four-door hardtop. And it's also the last car of this video. So if you liked it, just watch out for my other videos.